If you are a software engineer or anyone who are applying for a job, you probably know the drill. You have to first visit a job board, then you have to apply filters and search for relevant jobs. Then you have to fill all the details, upload your resume, maybe write cover letter, and repeat this process again and again. And after all these, you don't get the interview call. Yes, it's frustrating. It's very exhaustive, and it is also a repetitive process. What if I tell you could automate this entire process? Yes, I'm talking about AI tools which will search jobs for you, which will upload resume for you, and even auto apply on your behalf. So in this video, I will introduce you to 5 such free AI tools which will help you in job applications and make your life easier. Yes, but this is not magic and this is not perfect. So at the end of the video, I will also tell you what are the risks of using these AI tools. So don't miss to watch that part before actually using these AI tools. Otherwise, you will write in the comment that this is not working, this is happening, that is happening. I'm already warning you, watch the video till the end and then only use these tools. So let's start. So before jumping right into the AI tools, let's first understand why applying to job is such a painful process. We as engineers love problem solving, but applying to job, this is such a problem we haven't solved yet. So let me walk you through the typical steps involved in job application. First, there are so many job boards. You have to visit each of them, and then there you have to apply the filters like software engineer or graphic designer or AI engineer, and then you will be shown the list of relevant jobs. Then you have to check the job description if it is still relevant to you or not, and then you have to fill the company specific questions, upload the resume which is already on that portal, then you have to write cover letter even if no one gonna read it, but you have to upload it. And after all these, you don't get any interview calls. When you apply to 10 to 15 jobs a day, then probably you will get one interview call, or in some cases you even get that. So after a week, you lose the motivation to apply to job, and it's because after so much of effort, you are actually not seeing any results. And that's where AI automation comes in. These AI tools will help you to apply to more and more number of jobs so that your chances of interview calls increase, and also they will reduce a lot of your time. So let me introduce you to the AI tools. So the tools which I will mention in this video, either I have used them personally to automate my job application process, or I have done some research on it. So they are actually helpful to save you time and also automate this repetitive process of job application. So the first tool and my favorite tool is Job Copilot. This is my favorite tool because it helps you automate the job application process without actually losing control over it. It lets you review and edit each application before sending it on your behalf, which is a great thing if you are a very picky about messaging. And it also helps you optimize your resume and cover letter using AI, which is a massive time saver. So this is a good balance between scale and personalization. This is good for students, new grads, or even working professionals who want some automation but don't want to lose control over their job applications. Now moving to the second tool. Second tool is AutoJob. AutoJob gives you so many filters to choose from, which type of job you want to apply, then which companies you want to apply to, and it also gives you analytics, and basically it is for high volume application. So the people who want to apply to 50 plus jobs in a week, or 100 plus or 1000 plus jobs in a week, AutoJob is a good tool for them. Now the third tool is Loop CV. Loop CV is super flexible. It gives you 2 modes, semi-manual and fully automation. It means it also helps you to review the application, and if you want, it can apply the job for you in one click. It also gives you a dashboard which is very clean and helps you to stay organized, which jobs you have applied to. It helps you maintain the track of all those things, and also it helps you to optimize your resume on the go, which is very helpful. It is good for people who want the job application to run in the background and also want to check them manually if they want. Now coming to the fourth tool, which is Bulk Apply. So as you can guess it by its name, it focuses on raw speed. It will help you to apply across massive platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, Naukri, but there is no personalization involved. It just gets your resume out to as many listings as possible. So this is good for people who don't want to waste time and just want to push their resume to market as soon as possible without wasting time filling the same thing in 10 different based. Now coming to the last tool, which is AI Apply. AI Apply is just more than an auto applier. This is like an application assistant to you. This will help you to optimize your resume, your cover letter, which help you in follow-ups, and also will help with interview preparation. So all the applications sent by AI Apply will be customized to the job description, but which gives you an edge, but it will not help you to review each application before sending. This is good for people who want a customization for each of their application without even lifting a finger. So all the links for these tools in my description, so check it out. Now moving to the last part of the video, which is very important, what you should know before using these tools. So now let's talk real. So these AI tools are not any magical tools. So on the higher level, it seems that you can just use these AI tools to apply to as many job applications as possible. You will get so many interview calls lined up, and in a month you will land your dream job. But this is not true. These AI tools are not perfect. So let's understand what benefits these tools give to you. Number one, it helps you to save your time. Yes, you can save a lot of time by not applying to jobs manually and applying through the AI tools. Second, it helps you to apply more jobs as you can do manually, and sometimes you have to apply to more and more jobs to increase your chances of landing an interview, because if you will apply to 10 to 15 jobs, you might not even get interview call from single of them. So you have to apply to more and more jobs, and that's where AI tools will help you. But what are the risks? Let me tell you, the job applications sent by these AI tools are very generic. These are too robotic and templated. So if any human is reading these applications, they might feel that they are generated by AI tools, and they might not get passed through the ATS system also, and might be flagged because there is no human touch, and these are very generic. And also the second risk is you might end up applying to roles which you aren't a great fit. So even if you are applying to hundreds of jobs where your skill set are not a match, then you will not end up getting any interview call from any of them. So just applying to job is not good. You have to apply to relevant job, and that's where AI tool is not perfect right now. Maybe in the future it improves, but now it is not perfect. So here is my take. You can use AI tools to apply to 20-30 jobs in a week, but also you can apply to 4-5 high priority jobs manually, where you can go all in with personalization. Now coming to conclusion, should you use these tools or not? Absolutely. If you are tired, burned out, or exhausted, you should definitely use these tools. This will help you to send job application more smart way rather than the hard way. I have personally used some of these tools when I was job hunting, and were these applications perfect? No, but I landed up getting more interview calls, and that's the point. If you have tried any of these tools mentioned in the video, just drop the comment how was your experience, and also let me know if you know about more AI tools which I missed in the video. So if this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. It means more than you know. And if you are interested about career tips, AI automation and hacks, I have more videos coming up like this. So consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.